So now we are going to learn how to import data from Excel into the Microsoft Power BI. So when you come here for the first time, you'll see the add data to your report, and here you can see the option import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, and paste data into a blank table, and try sample data set or get data from another source. So you can see the various options here. Apart from this, you can see here on the home menu, you can see get data. So when you click on here, you can see common data sources, Excel workbook, Power BI dataset, data overlay, all the data sources you can see here. You can see here Excel workbook, SQL server. So or enter data manually here, copy and paste, or you can enter in a table row. You want to enter manually, that also you can do here. So for now, what we'll do, we'll use the Excel sheet for our data analysis and dashboard creation for this class. So I'll click on import data from Excel. You can click on here, you can go from here as well. Okay, so click on import data from Excel, and I'm going to use this HR data Excel sheet. So I'll select that sheet and click on open. When you click on open, the Excel sheet will be open, and here you can see there are two things. Table 1, you just click on here, you can see the table data, you can see here, or you can see the HR data. So I'll click on the HR data, and I'll click on the load. So I'll click on the HR data table and click on the load. So when you load, the Microsoft Power BI will start loading the data into the Power BI from the Excel file. And now as soon as you import the data, you'll see here build visuals with your data. So where is our data? I can't see any table here, right? It's just saying that drag and drop from the data pane and onto the report canvas. So this pane that we are seeing here, this is the canvas. This whole area is called canvas, and here we can create our reports and dashboard. Okay, so where is our data? To see our data, we need to click on the data view. This is the report view, this is the data view, and this is the model view. There are three views in Microsoft Power BI. That is, first one is report view, second one is data view, and third one is model view. So right now we are into the report view. Now as soon as you click on the data view, you can see here our table or our data from Excel sheet has been loaded here. So it's a huge data set that we have loaded. There are 1471 rows in this data set, but you can see here the column 1, column 2, the header is not here, right? In our Excel sheet there was a column names, but here it's not visible, right? So how to do that? So we'll go to the report view, we'll go to the transform data. See here, when you come here, you can see the transform data, right? So you just click on the transform data, and our table will be opening here. See here HR data, and see here our first column name is attrition, first row is attrition, business travel, CF underscore, age band, attrition label, department, all these things. But actually that is not our first row, this is our columns. But while loading, it has Power BI has considered it as a row. So how we can do that? How we can resolve this problem and making this first row as a column? So to do that, we need to come here. You can come here and see use first row as header. Right here you can see the option use first row. You can see the cursor here, use first row as header. You just click on here and the first row will become the header. Just click on here and see here now our table is perfectly fine and the first row has become the header. So now our headers are properly done. So this way we can come to the transform data and click on here use first row as headers, and our first row will become the header of our table. Okay, so this way we can transform our data. After, as soon as you done with the transformation, you just click on close and apply here. Just click on close and apply. So now it is applying the changes that we have applied in our data set. Okay, so now we'll see the data view. So now when you click on the data view, see here attrition, the first column, business travel, all these columns have become the first column. The header is properly aligned, right? We can come to the visuals or report view and model view. You can see all the column details you can see here what kind of data it is that you can see in the model view. You can collapse or you can expand. Okay, so data view, report view and model view, that I hope you understood, and how we can import a data set from the Excel into the Power BI, that also we can see. Now we can see various options here. Now when you come here, you will see there are three options here. Data. In data you can see all the columns in our data set has been listed here, right? Okay, and then we have the visualization where we can see all the options for creating report, chart like pie chart, bar chart, column chart, all these options, donut chart, pie chart, all these options are here. So this is the visualization option, and then we have the filter. If you want to apply filter, that also we can do. So we have three important options given here: data, visualization and the filters. So we'll use this to create our dashboard and reports. So first we'll try to create a few reports, and then we'll merge those reports and try to make a dashboard in Power BI, and that dashboard will be the very interactive and it will be very amazing. So when you saw the visualization that we create in data Power BI, it will be really amazing and you can impress your clients because it will be very dynamic visualization and dashboards. So see you inside the next lecture where we'll try to create some reports here, some charts here on this blank canvas.